Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're talking about the Yamaha YZF-R3, a lightweight sport bike that packs a punch while being perfect for both beginners and experienced riders. The YZF-R3 is powered by a 321cc parallel twin engine, delivering 42 horsepower and 29.6 Nm of torque. This makes it an ideal bike for those who want a blend of power and manageability, whether you're commuting or hitting the twisties on the weekend. One of the highlights of the R3 is its lightweight, agile handling. With a slim frame and low seat height, it feels incredibly nimble, making it easy to maneuver through tight corners or city traffic. The suspension is well tuned, offering a smooth and responsive ride on various surfaces. The R3 also comes with a digital display, giving you all the necessary information at a glance. It features a ride-by-wire throttle, which offers smooth throttle response, and the twin-disc braking system ensures reliable stopping power when you need it most. The design of the R3 is inspired by Yamaha's R series, with sharp lines and an aggressive stance, giving it a sporty and modern look. The ergonomics are comfortable for everyday use but still offer the sporty feel you want when riding hard. In short, the Yamaha YZF-R3 is a fun, accessible, and stylish bike that offers excellent performance for riders of all levels. Whether you're just starting or looking for a fun bike to ride, the R3 stands out in the lightweight sport bike category. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews. Keep exploring and ride safe.